All right, resizing and centering our title block for our site plan is pretty typical that our title block, that default was 120 by 90 title block, is just not feasible for your site plan. Maybe it is, but most of the time it's not. So we've kept the original title block. Now, if your title block was off from your floor plan, I'd recommend bringing in the blank title block that I provided that has the correct paper size ratio. Some of you are missing that. We are going to use that X centering method again, and I'm going to prepare for that ahead of time now that we've done it a few times or a couple times. What I want to do is I want to essentially turn my site plan into a large rectangle so I can go from corner to corner. So I'm just hitting every line, just turning this into one big rectangle at this point. That way I can put my X through it. If you haven't realized by now, you wouldn't have to create an entire X. You could use the center point, but I'm going to be on the safe side here and I'm going to make an X. All right, so there's an X for my site. 1 and 2. I'm going to take my title block. I'm going to put the X through the title block a while, and I'm going to resize it. How big? Well, it's going to depend on the size of your site plan. I'm going to go and resize this. Deselect define graphically, and I am going to change it in terms of percentage. And I'm going to have to go pretty large. I'm going to triple it. So 300%. Click in the background. Just for a quick reference, I'm going to see if this is even close. It's a little small. So I got to go up in size again. I'm not going to go 300. It's going to make it 300% bigger, or 3 times bigger than this already. I know I'm kind of in the ballpark. Let's try like 125. I made it a little bit bigger. That will probably work out all right. I might be able to go down a little bit. So we'll come back in here and we'll scale it down a little bit. Let's go 85. Anything less than 100% will make it smaller. Ooh, that's going to be all right. So I'm going to take this center and we'll place it on that center X. Nothing is outside of my title block. I'm not interfering with the title block information. I have now resized and centered my title block for my site plan. All my construction lines, in order to center this, can go away. You can hide the layer, because eventually you're going to have to hide the layer anyway for all your construction lines. But that will lead us to then creating the north arrow symbol.